I'm Alina Coca and I come from NATO headquarters, and it's been a pleasure for me to be part of this exercise. From my point of view, it's a wonderful opportunity for all participants to learn from each other, also to get known by others, so that in crisis we know who we can count on, who to call for help, and how to tackle these challenges together. Because in today's world, any crisis has no borders, and it's important to realize that, because no one can face a crisis alone nowadays. At the same time, it's very important to have this exercises platform like ERCC and EIDRCC together put in place to practice these behaviors in a way that helps us when something arises to just go into action without worrying too much, because we know that we have friends and we learn how to do it as an exercise. So reality should be much easier. Thank you.